Assalamualaikum. Today we will learn about alphabets. A for apple, apple. B for ball, ball. C for cat, cat. D for dog, dog. E for egg, egg. F for flower, flower. G for grapes, grapes. H for horse, horse. I for ice cream, ice cream. J for juice, juice. K for kick, kick. L for lollipop, lollipop. M for monkey, monkey. N for numbers, numbers. O for orange, orange. P for popcorn, popcorn. Q for queen, queen. R for rabbit, rabbit. S for scientists, scientists. T for tooth fairy, tooth fairy. U for umbrella, umbrella. V for vampire, vampire. W for watermelon, watermelon. X for X-ray, X-ray. Y for yo-yo, yo-yo. Z for zip, zip. So this is all about alphabets. Hope so you enjoy the video. Subscribe the channel for more videos. Allah Hafiz.